In this video, I'll guide you through how to organize Protonmail so your inbox feels clean, structured, and easy to manage. We'll walk through creating folders and labels, and I'll explain how to think about using each one so your messages end up exactly where you expect them to be. First, open your browser and go to protonmail.com. Sign into your account if you're not already logged in. Once you're inside your inbox, take a look at the left-hand side of the screen. This is where Protonmail keeps your main navigation, your inbox, sent, drafts, spam, trash, and more importantly for this tutorial, your folders and labels. Today, I'll show you how to create folders to keep different types of messages separated. Folders are ideal when you want emails to live in one specific place, similar to how traditional email clients work. For example, you might have a folder for work, one for personal messages, one for receipts, and another for newsletters. On that left sidebar, find the section where your folders are listed. Near that section, you'll see a small plus icon. I'll show you the easiest way to use that. Go ahead and click the plus icon to add a new folder. This opens a small window or panel where you can set up the details for your folder. The first field you'll see is where you enter the folder name. Choose a clear, descriptive name so you immediately know what belongs there. For instance, you could name it Work, Finances, or Travel Plans. Try to avoid names that are too vague because clear folder names make it faster to file and find emails later. Next, you'll be able to select the folder location. This is where you decide if this new folder will appear at the top level or as a subfolder inside another folder. If you're just getting started, it can be helpful to keep most folders at the top level and only create subfolders for larger categories, like having a main work folder with subfolders for different projects or clients. Choose the location that matches how you like to think about your email. Once you've set the name and location, click Save. Your new folder will appear in the left sidebar, ready to use. You can now drag and drop messages into that folder or use the Move option when you select one or more emails. Now, let's talk about labels. In this video, you'll learn how to use labels as a flexible way to tag messages without moving them out of the inbox or their original folder. While folders are like drawers, labels are more like colored stickers you can attach to any email. To add a label, look again at the left side of the screen where labels are listed and click the plus icon there to create a new one. A panel will open where you can enter the label name. Just like with folders, choose a clear name such as urgent, to do, family, or invoices. After naming your label, you can select a color. This is a small step that makes a big difference. Choose colors that make sense to you and are easy to distinguish at a glance. For example, you might use red for urgent items, green for finances, or blue for personal messages. Pick something you can remember consistently. When you're happy with the name and color, click Save. Your label will now be available to apply to any email. You can assign labels from the toolbar when viewing or selecting messages, and you can even apply multiple labels to the same email if it fits more than one category. By combining folders for structure and labels for flexible tagging, you'll keep Protonmail organized and make it much easier to stay on top of what matters.